Dear friends, welcome to this channel Scientific Classes and Picard Anjali. So hello friends, you know what a great day for us because we celebrated Children Day on 14 November. We know that Children Day is celebrated on our country on 14 November, but it is celebrated on 20 November internationally. Children Day is celebrated on every year in India. November 14 is the birthday of Pandit Sri Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. He was a great freedom fighter. Pandit Sri Jawaharlal Nehru was a very enthusiastic and conniving for children, especially their welfare. He was a very inspiring and inspired in nature. Children loved them very much. That's why they were affectionately called Chachu. Friends, we know that many days are celebrated in our country, and if there is any reason behind their celebration, first of all we will know this reason behind celebration Children Day. So friends, every year India marks November 14 as Children Day as a tribute to India's first Prime Minister Pandit Sri Jawaharlal Nehru, who was born on the day.
Yes.
Nehru birth anniversary is celebrated as Children Day in the country as a tribute to his contribution towards building the nation. So friends, know the reason. Now we will know its purpose. The main purpose of observing Children Day is to make all Indian citizens aware of children so that everyone give their children to right education. This will improve to the future of children and create a well-organized and prosperous nation. So friends, pose another question to us: why Children Day is celebrated in India not only on November 14 but in all countries on November 20 itself? In view of Jawaharlal Nehru's love and affection towards children, his birthday is celebrated in Children Day. So friends, how is Children Day celebrated? Children are given gifts on Children Day. On this day, special occasions are organized as well as children participated in various competitions. In many schools do not study in Children Day, and sports are organized for children. In many schools, children are taken on a picnic on the day of Children Day. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.